Okay, so hello guys, what is up? I hope you're all doing very well, and welcome back to Budding Marines English. And today I'll be talking about the form filling of GANPAT University. As you all know, GANPAT is a good university these days. Even Tom, Anglo Eastern, DMIG, all these companies are coming in GANPAT University for DNS. Also, they have opened their forms for DNS, BSc Nautical Science, and BTech in Marine Engineering. So we'll be looking at how to fill the form. It's pretty much the same process, but we'll see it once. Okay, first, as always, you have to register yourself. You have to enter your name, email address, your mobile number, and a OTP will be coming to that. You should be putting that as well. You should select your state, your city, and you can select the course here and opt for maritime studies, and in specialization you can opt for diploma in nautical science, BTech in marine engineering, or BSc in nautical science. And once you click on register, before that you have to give the captcha as well. Then once you click on register, you will be redirected and you will be reaching this page. This is the dashboard of GANPAT University application. Okay, so once you are here, click on all application forms. Okay, so we've got logged out once. We'll just log in once more. Okay, we'll just log in quickly. Okay, yep. Okay, yeah, so logged in. So as I said, once you click on register by putting up all your basic info, then you will be reaching here. Then you go click on all application. Then you will see the all application and the courses provided by the GANPAT University. We'll just scroll down, and we can see diploma in nautical science here, and maritime studies form, which is for BSc in nautical science and BTech in marine engineering. So we'll be filling for the diploma. The process is same, just the form is different. So we'll just, for example, we'll take diploma in nautical science. Okay, so yes, the form is pretty similar to MET, TMI and all. It's pretty much the same interface. Okay, there are some instructions and all for you guys to read. So once you read that, we'll start with the filling process. First, you can select your course, which is after 12th undergraduate course and specialization, diploma in nautical science. Then comes your entry type. Okay, yes. Comes your entry type, regular, fresh. Then is educational loan required? No. Where did you hear about GANPAT University? Are you a student of GANPAT University? No. Then we'll just click on next. As I always say, just fill out the columns with the star sign. You can see the red star sign, right? Those are the mandatory columns. So just fill out those columns which is having a asterisk sign or the star sign. Then we'll continue with the personal details, your full name as per your last mark sheet, which is your 12th mark sheet. Then your first name, then your last name. Then comes your email ID, your mobile number, your date of birth, your gender, your religion, your nationality, your caste category, your domicile state, your state. Do you have a passport? If yes, you should have to give the details of your passport as well. Are you differently abled? No. Your current age, your food habit, if you are a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, your height and your weight, and your BMI will be calculated by them. Then comes the nearest airport from you. and in this column you can add any achievement of yours, but it is not mandatory. If you have any achievements, you can just mention it over there. Are you currently sponsored by any company? No, not right now. And father's detail, father's salutation, father's full name, father's mobile number, and mother's salutation, mother's full name, and family annual income. Those are the mandatory columns in the parent section. And we'll just click on next and we'll move on. We'll proceed with the application form. Then comes the address part, where you have to fill your country, your state, your district, your city or taluka, your address line, and your pin code. And they're asking if your permanent address is same as your current address. So yes, then you will just click on next. We'll move forward. Then comes your educational details. As I said, it's pretty much same as the MET and TMI form. Okay, now 12th pass out, country, your pass out state, then your pass out board, from which board you are doing your 12th from, your 12th school name, result status. If your results are published, you can click passed, and you might have to fill out your marks and all. So I am just lazy, so that I am just putting results awaited. Then comes the 12th academic details. Yeah, those you have to only fill if your results are declared. Then comes your entrance exam details. Have you appeared in any entrance examination? You click on yes, and you have the options here: JEE Main, GUJCT, I think it's exam from Gujarat CET or something, GATE, and IMUCET. If you have given your JEE and IMUCET, you can mention it over there. I'm just clicking on no. As I said, I'm just lazy to fill it out. Yeah, so that is what we have to basically fill. Now we'll go to the payment section. We'll click on make payment, and the payment gateway will come up. And the fee for DNS is 500, and for BSc and BTech, I think it is 350 to 500 range only. Okay, so once you preview your application, you make sure everything is right, nothing is wrong. Any mistakes, please correct it once you preview it. Okay, now let's move on to the payment section. We'll click on make payment. Then the page will take us to the payment gateway, where we'll get the QR, and you can use the codes and all if you want. Then you can use your UPI, your cards, your wallet, net banking, whatever way you are comfortable with, you can make the payment that way. So that was the form filling of GANPAT University. It's a great opportunity for DNS. New companies, good companies are coming over there, taking cadets, sponsoring cadets. So I would say that, yeah, it's just 500 rupees also. So I would really suggest that you guys fill it out. And if you need to prepare for your IMUCET or sponsorship, or if you have any further doubts regarding the form filling, or you're joining in Merchant Navy, how to join Merchant Navy, or how to prepare for a specific company, how to prepare for your sponsorship exams, interviews, psychometric test, whatever doubts you have, we will clear it out for you. Just fill out the Google Forms in the description. The link I have provided in the description. You can just fill it out. We will get to you. Also, don't forget to give me a subscribe and thumbs up. So yes, we'll meet you in the next one. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.